Here is our chicken drumets. New style. Barbecue chicken drummets. Basically we cooked it in a kind of stew till it's almost done. Put barbecue sauce, finish it in the oven, and garnish. Very easy, simple. Voila. Something different, but still get the buffalo look. And then the sauce, the barbecue sauce, you can just make it spicy if you want. This is a homemade barbecue sauce. And enjoy. Happy holidays. Here is our chicken broth with noodles. This has a lot of flavors, a lot of spices, a lot of peppers, a lot of love. But it's got that kick that will get you off the head, get you going. Hot and hot, really hot. On the other hand, it has got some heat. Enjoy. Happy holidays. Welcome to Jesse Cooking with Chef Agnew. So today we're going to cook some chicken drummets. We're going to make the best flavored, nice chicken drummets, full of flavor. So we got like garlic, ginger, salt, Moroccan seasoning, herbs. I just use white parsley. And we got a lot of peppers, variety of peppers, carrots, celery, onion. It's like making a mirepoix. And we get some salsa. So we're gonna go ahead first, get our pan hot. Put some oil on it. Not too much oil because some oil is coming from the chicken. Alright, here is our drummets. Make sure there's no liquid in there. So these can be used as appetizer, or can be used as entree, or passed around. I think it's a nice item to have. Just add onion to it. Carrots. We're going to do the mirepoix. Celery. Peppers. Put some spices in there, some jalapeno peppers, as well as the regular peppers. And now we're going to season and mix all this together. Just caramelize it a little bit. Then we're going to add the aromatics. This is a good holiday idea. You can do this to the turkey legs as well. You get a nice color here. That's what we're looking for. Okay, now that's been, I'm gonna add some chicken stock. I'm gonna cover, reduce the heat and cook for maybe around 40 minutes. That's it. We're gonna check our chicken drumettes and see how they're doing. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, they're almost done. So when you see the meat receding like this, that says I am done. Take me out of here. So I'm gonna take the chicken drumettes out. Here we go. We can give them a slight grill, or we can just add some barbecue and roast them in the oven quickly and serve them. Now here's the fun part. All this liquid here has a lot of flavor. It has like chicken juice. It's got the peppers, got a lot of vitamins and stuff. So I'm gonna make it into a soup. So it's gonna be a spicy chicken soup. I'm just gonna add more water. Then let it cook for a little bit, then strain it. Then we have a chicken soup. So this is a great way to save waste. A lot of people at this time of the year, they love to have chicken soup. So this is more like a... So we'll just let it cook a little bit. We strain it, and we have our juice. Believe it, it's going to cure any cold anyone has. And then we're going to work on our chicken drumettes, make them look sexy. Now I have my chicken drumettes already cooked. So I'm just going to do like this, a little barbecue sauce. And then I can either grill them quickly, just roast them in the oven quickly. So the sauce kind of gets infused into the chicken. And like this, it looks very nice. Beautiful cooked chicken in the flavored stuff. No frying, no flours. This is gluten-free. Is good for you. And the barbecue is made homemade. This is a house-made sauce. I include the recipe with the video. And then we take these and we flush them in the hot oven quickly when we're ready to eat, and that's it. So you can actually make this a day before you cool off. When your guests arrive, you can just do what I did, flush it in the oven. You don't have to cook all day. Now my soup was just coming to boil here. It was simmering for a while. So what we're gonna do is strain this up, because really for a good chicken soup all you need is juice and some noodles. We'll add some noodles to the soup. Now the funny part is we're gonna take this out. We're going to make a thick coulis that we can garnish a lot of things with. Nothing goes to waste, because you don't want to throw this out. This is all good stuff. Now we get a flavored chicken soup. Got a little spicy side to it. It's got the Moroccan seasoning, so it's going to be really good for whoever drinks it. Let me give it a taste. Get that kick. This is definitely going to be, holy cow. Yeah, this is definitely good. I'm going to let it cool off a little bit. All right, on the side here. I'm going to take these leftover vegetables Then we're going to create my sauce. That soup is definitely unbelievable. Just imagine the chicken flavor, the garlic, the ginger, onions, peppers, all kinds of peppers. Some are mild, some are hot. That's a lot of flavor. Tomatoes. So I'll just puree this and we can create something with it. Okay, here is our spicy chicken noodle soup. This has a lot of flavors. It's got North African spices. And then of course it has a lot of kicks from the peppers. We cooked all different peppers in and strained them. So it's got a lot of vitamin C's as well. So this will make you sweat a little bit, but will kick out whatever you have if you don't feel good. It will definitely get you off the bed. Enjoy. Beautiful chickens. Spicy.